The iPhone SE series has been a favorite to users who prefer mini and compact devices with uncompromised performance. The fourth-generation iPhone SE is knocking on the door with a possible release in 2025. Apple is rumored to make a lot of design changes in the upcoming iPhone SE 4, bidding goodbye to Touch ID and Home button. Let's delve into all the rumored changes possibly coming in the upcoming iPhone SE 4. Before we proceed, hit that subscribe button in case you forget later. Enhanced display. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to boast a larger 6.1-inch display, a significant bump from its predecessor's 4.7-inch screen. It seems Apple is steering clear of smaller-sized phones this time around. Leaked renders from reliable sources suggest that the iconic Touch ID button might make way for Face ID authentication. And yes, brace yourself for a notch reminiscent of the iPhone 13 and 14 series. Recent leaks have also hinted at wireless charging capabilities through MagSafe and an impressive 6.1-inch OLED screen with full HD resolution. Reports indicate that the iPhone SE 4, codenamed Ghost, could take design cues from the base model iPhone 14, offering a sleeker profile compared to its predecessors. Upgraded cameras. iPhone SE 4 is getting a big-time camera upgrade. Rumors suggest a substantial upgrade with a 48-megapixel sensor, promising sharper and more detailed images. Additionally, whispers of a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter add to the device's photographic prowess. Performance. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to pack a punch with the A16 Bionic chip, a significant upgrade from the A15 chip found in its predecessor. Whether you're snapping photos or breezing through tasks, expect smoother performance and faster speeds. Now talking about the price. According to a tipster on X, formerly Twitter, the upcoming iPhone SE 4 is expected to be priced slightly higher than its predecessor. While Apple aims to keep the price under $499, it's a modest jump from the previous affordable iPhone started at $429. So what could justify this price increase? Rumors suggest that the iPhone SE 4 might sport a more modern design, inspired by the iPhone 14, along with the addition of Face ID. These upgrades would certainly make the new model more appealing and could explain the slight bump in cost. Given that it's been quite a while since the last iPhone SE was released, a price hike doesn't come as a huge surprise. With these potential enhancements, the iPhone SE 4 seems poised to offer more value while still being a budget-friendly option in Apple's lineup. Launch date anticipation. The iPhone SE 4 is still in its early developmental stages, but if the buzz from industry insiders is anything to go by, we might see its grand debut sometime in 2025. So what do you guys think of the upcoming iPhone SE 4? What are the changes you wish to see in the upcoming mid-range from Apple? Do you think Apple should keep the Touch ID and Home button? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.
Thank you again for joining us. Have a great day.